Number 8, Oliver de Kroek. Number 10, Jacques de Couster. Number 11, Jeffy Versin. Number 12, Lucas Boni. Number 14, Dries Bloks. Number 15, Brent Bogarts. Number 16, Brian Henry. Number 17, Sam Ferrelst. Number 18, Louis Kohlerts. Number 19, Joren de Smet. Number 20, Kevin van der Louveren. Number 21, Frank Nevin. Number 23, Loris Darquez. Number 24, Jordan Paulus. 25, Arne Baumans. The officials have been licensed by the International Ice Hockey Federation. Referee is Andrew Dalton. Linesmen are Andrew Cook and Herman Johansson.
Halló, halló! Góða kvöldið! Heyrist í mér? Það er að heyra eins betri sjálfur mér. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to game number 10 of this World Championship Group 2B. This is the last game of the tournament, gold medal game between Belgium and Iceland. Iceland has 9 points on the top of the group after 3 games. Belgium has 6 points. If Belgium wins this game, both teams will have 9 points, and this internal score of Belgium and Iceland will decide which team wins the game. So obviously, if Belgium would win this game, they would win the tournament as well. Iceland wins the first face-off. It's a bad turnover in the slot. Good hit from number 21 from Belgium. Frank Nevin is one of Belgium's strongest players. Belgium starts strong. Belgium puts it deep. Iceland has control. That puck goes out of play. Face off inside the Icelandic defensive zone. That's icing. It's a good hit. Belgium breaks out, puts it deep. Player number 17 picks it up. That shot is blocked. Another try. Goes over the net. Another try goes wide. Good defense by Atli Sveinsson. Iceland puts it deep. Belgium clears it up. Iceland puts it deep again. Robbie picks it up at the boards. It's the first try of the Icelandic team. Goes wide and puck goes out of play. Face off in the Belgian defensive zone. Here comes player number 3 from Belgium. Player number 21 from Belgium, Frank Neven, and number 6 from Iceland, Sölvi Atlason, having some scrum down there. Iceland sets it up in the Belgian defensive zone. Belgium playing tough here in the beginning of this game. Playing very physical. It was expected that Belgium would be playing physical. They are a physical team, but they are gonna try to have to stay out of the penalty box since Iceland has a pretty strong power play. Here comes number 17, Sam Verlst. Player number 17 still with the puck. It's a nice turnaround there. It's a good block. Sölvi Atlason blocks that shot with his shoulder. And player number 23 had plenty of time there, but did not get the shot on the net. That's an icing call. Should not have been an icing. It's definitely touched by the Belgian player. And Iceland is complaining. Belgium starting stronger as a stronger team here. Nice pass from Robbie there. Over Bjössi to Robbie again. Good shot from Robbie. Saved by goalie number 20, Jorin Desmet. Sorry, he's number 25, Arne Vaunas. Iceland's third line on the ice now. It's a long pass. No icing. Here comes Bjarkir. Puts it deep. Here's Frank Nevin. Player number 8 trips himself. Oliver de Krook. Iceland has possession. Looks like both teams are a little bit stressed here in the beginning, especially the Icelandic team. Iceland throws the puck around, nobody to pick it up. Belgium has possession. Heiðar Kristiðarsson loading for a big hit there. Misses. Kári to Sölvi. Iceland picks it up in the Belgian zone. Iceland puts it deep. Axel pressures. Belgium wins it in the corner. Oh, that's close. Goes off the skate of player number 7 from Belgium into the 5-hole of Johan Björgvin, but stops in the 5-hole. No, it was a stick. Belgium puts it deep. That's an icing. No icing. The referee says there was a touch there. We go to the middle. Iceland can change as they want.
Let's make some noise!
A lot of people in the ice rink watching. Yes. Good try from Heiðar Gauti. Halldór Skúlason comes here, drives it in, and Heiðar Gauti pressures. It's a good pressure from Heiðar Gauti, wins the puck. Oh, and that, what a save by Arney Wömnas. Unnar, no, was it Hákon? No, it was Unnar Rúnarsson. Yes, a perfect opportunity there to put the puck in, but Arney Umnas saves it. Good try from the Icelandic team. Good pressure from Heiðar Gauti Jóhannsson. Iceland is gaining momentum in this game. That was nothing. It's a bad pass behind. Iceland throws the puck out, doesn't go over the glass, goes to the bench. Andri Mikaelsson showing his right face here. Referees are fixing the net. Net is loose. And game continues. Markus puts it deep. Iceland pressures. Here comes Belgium, 2 against 1. No. That pass goes wide. Here comes Iceland, and that's an offside. That's the correct call, I think. Bjössi, number 10, Iceland, Björn Robert Sigurðarson. A little bit too quick over the blue line. And play goes all the way back to the Icelandic defensive zone. Comes Axel to Bjössi. That's deflected off the defenseman to the corner. Belgium wins the puck. Here comes player number 17. And that's offside. Iceland tries to put it deep. It's a bad turnover from Halldór. Player number 10. Good try. Shot is blocked by the defense. Oh, that's a good block, but that one hurt for sure. Unnar Rúnarsson got it on the inside thigh, and you can see that hurt. That's the right mentality though. Blocking shots, so important in games like these. Here's another block from Andri Mikaelsson, good block. Good pass from 21 to 17. Frank Nevin to Sam Wells. That's clearly Belgium's best line. Here comes Belgium again. That shot is deflected off Heiðar's stick and goes over the glass. Face off inside the Icelandic zone. Heiðar Kristjánsson. It's a nice try. Doesn't get a good shot. It's good pressure from the Icelandic youngsters. That's an offside. Iceland wins this face-off. Here is Björn Robert. Wants a penalty there, referee says no. That shot goes off the Belgian defenseman. It's hard for the goalie, but the goalie has it. Iceland wins that face-off. Gunnar tries to put it on the net. Doesn't go through. Ends up in the corner. Iceland wins the puck again. Robbie. That pass misses. Play number 17. It's a nice move by Samuels. Good save from Johan. Cuts into the middle there and shoots through the defenseman. It's a nice save from Johan. Belgium is changing here. Iceland puts it deep. That's an icing. Iceland again trying to change. Referees are telling them stop changing. It's a bad turnover. It's a good pass from Sölvi. No, Hákon it was. That's a good opportunity. Play number 8 from Belgium. But Johan makes a good save. Here comes Iceland. Johan Leifsson there carries the puck all the way. Here comes Belgium. Another good save. Oh, that's a good deflection. We're gonna get a replay on that. Referee is having a talk. Player number 7. Nope, that hits the side of the net. And now Iceland has a... Oh, that goes out. A lot of bad turnovers here on both sides. Both teams losing the puck a lot on the blue line. Here's another bad turnover. Robbie. Oh! That shot hits the crossbar. So one-timer from Axel Oregon. Belgium got lucky there. Atli Sveinsson, pressured. Now Iceland gets it out. Here's Hákon. And Belgium. It's a good shot. Nice try. Belgium is the stronger team so far, but their shots have not been accurate enough. Here comes number 17. It's a good save from Arne Wormnes. "90 seconds remaining of this period. Iceland wins the face-off. Bjarkireir gets to walk as much as he wants in the zone. It's a bad turnover there from Belgium in the slot. Andre wins the puck again. Belgium puts it deep. Robbie. Axel with him. Oh. Atli Sveinsson puts it deep. Belgium comes to play down. Here comes Bjössi. It's a good pass for Belgium. And a good save for Johan. That was a good dig from player number 3. Digs the defender, but he's not able to put it in the net. It's a good glove save from Johan. Iceland gets it out of the zone, and we have 5 seconds left. That period is out. Yes, 0-0 period. And Belgium, the stronger team here. Iceland, though, has had a couple of good opportunities. Gonna have to stop giving these turnarounds around the blue line. Being a little bit calmer on the puck. It's a good period. We'll see you back in 14 minutes. All right. Welcome back. 35 seconds until we start this second period. 0-0 is the score. Tight and even game. Belgium a little bit stronger in the first period. Iceland still had good chances. Belgium wins the first face-off. Belgium puts it deep. Iceland clears the zone, no icing. Frank Nevin throws it around. Belgium breaks out. And good shot, good save. Misunderstanding there between the Belgian players. One player was going out for a change. Here comes Belgium again. That shot is blocked by Gunnar. Iceland puts it deep. No, Belgium puts it deep, sorry. Belgium puts it deep again. That's a bad loss. And that shot is deflected by the defenseman, but still saved by Johan. Iceland playing tough defense here. Good pass from Robbie. Okay shot from Gussi. It's good save from Arne Vomans. And here comes Belgium. Good control there. Johan freezes the puck. Almost dropped it too far away from him. Picks it up.
Let's make some noise!
Belgium wins the face-off. Shot is blocked by Axel Oregon. Forward. Here comes Robbie Sigurdsson. Oh, Robbie Sigurdsson falls down there. Goes directly into the boards. Hurts himself a little bit. Team Belgium wins the puck on the Icelandic blue line. Frank Nevin over to 24, shoots wide. Good dig from player number 8. Johan is not able to control that shot. Rebound, which he takes and controls. Belgium wins that face-off. Easy save for Johan. Belgium wants a penalty there. No penalty is called. Player number 19 hurt himself. Hit from Bjarki Jóhannesson. Puck goes on the back of the net. Referee stops the game. It's face-off inside the Icelandic defensive zone. Iceland wins that face-off. Good pass from Atli Sveinsson through the ice. And good shot from Axel. It's bad turnaround from Markus Ólafsson. That shot goes wide. Robbie puts it in the corner. Hákon picks it up. It's a good play by Bjössi Nunnar. Hákon has it in the corner. Halldór, good shot from Halldór. Saved by Arne. It's a good hit from number 10, Team Belgium, on Atli Sveinsson. Here comes Gunnar Arason, puts it on the net. It's controlled by Arne. Face off in the Belgian defensive zone. Belgium wins that face off. Iceland wins the puck. That's an icing. No penalty has been called this game. Both teams had 9 shots in the first period. Both goalies had 9 saves. That's an icing. Iceland is able to change. Belgium wins that face-off. Johan catches that puck, puts it into play again. Passes it to Robbie. Robbie throws it into the referee. Belgium has control now. That's a good shot from player number 10. Jacques de Koister. Axel to Robbie. Belgium breaks out. That's icing. Belgium wins another face-off. Belgium has won most of the face-off this game. Axel gets thrown around here, and Belgium comes 2 against 1. And here's the first goal of the game. Player number 10, Jacques de Koister, puts it 5-hole on a 2-on-1. Assisted by player number 3, Ben Collin. One 0 for Belgium. That's icing. That shot goes over the net. Belgium keeps it in. Gunnar Arason is pressured, over to Halldór. Halldór to Gunnar. Gunnar back to Halldór. Unnar over to Hákon. It's good, accurate pass. Good fight from Hákon. Heiðar Gauti is there to support. Heiðar Gauti comes out of the corner with the puck. Puts it down to Hafþór Sigurðarson. Here comes Belgium. Robbie calms the game down. Iceland breaks out. But Belgium wins that puck. Oh, that's unfortunate for Belgium. They could have had 3 against 1 if that puck would have been kept in. Sölvi. Good pass from number 7 to 11 to 14. Back to 7. Over to 24. It's good one-timer from number 6. Another shot from 24. And saved by Johan. Number 24, Jordan Paulus. It's the Belgian captain. It's a nice shot there through the screen. It's picked up by Johan. Belgium wins another face-off. Johan catches it, throws it to Gunnar Arason. Gunnar Arason has a good pass to Axel. And Axel Oregon scores! Digs the defenseman, digs the goalie, puts it on the left side. 1-1. What a goal by Axel Oregon. Axel Oregon only scores highlight goals. He never scores an ugly goal. Belgium wins that face-off. And that wakes up the crowd.
Scored by player number 21, Axel Oregon! With assist from number 5, Gunnar Arason! And number 1, Johan Ragnarsson!
Gunnar Arason with the assist there. Johan Ragnarsson, the goalkeeper, gets an assist there as well. He gets the puck, dropped it to Gunnar, picks up an assist there. It sure was an assist. The goal wouldn't have been scored if he wouldn't have dropped it to Gunnar. Andre Mikaelsson puts it deep. Johan pressures, wins the puck. Iceland. Shot from Atli Sveinsson. Saved. Hafþór Sigurðarson. It's muscled out in the corner. Belgium throws it out. Iceland gaining momentum here after this goal. But here comes Belgium. 14. No. They're unable to use that opportunity. 24 over to 21. 21 back to 24. Captain Jordan. And 11 with good pressure. Robbie with a good pass to Heiðar. Heiðar puts it on the net. Arne freezes that puck. That's the first penalty of the game, Robbie Sigurðsson. No, that was not Robbie Sigurðsson. Hákon Marteinn. Two-minute penalty for tripping. Was an unnecessary penalty. Correct call. No need to trip him there in the offensive zone. Belgium wins that face-off and shot that's saved. Referee is telling Iceland they have to be more efficient and quicker in the changes. Belgium wins that face-off. Starting to sound pretty familiar. And they set it up. A lot of time there. Misses the net. Puts it deep. And they are able to set it up. Another pass through the middle. That's a good save from a tight angle. It's a nice try by Sam. That's blocked by the Belgian. Ooh, it's a hard shot for the goalie. Good save. Yeah. That's saved by Johan. Unable to hold it in the beginning, but he picks it up. Johan playing a good game here.
Make some noise!
Finally, we have a face-off won by the Icelandic team. Iceland clears it out of the zone.
Team Iceland is now playing at full strength.
It's a good hit. Belgium wants a penalty. I disagree. And here comes Iceland. Bjössi to Heiðar. Bjössi. Haffi picks it up. We play 5-on-5 now. Here comes 7. Over to 11. Good shot. Johan picks it up. And Iceland wins another face-off. Gunnar throws it over to the other side. There's nobody there to pick it up. Johan has time with the puck. Throws it out and we have an icing. Belgium gets a warning in the face-off, but they win that face-off. Ooh, that goes off Johan's mask, I think. Gets the shot right in the face. Seems fine. Here's Tismet. Jorin Tismet. Gunnar Arason to Andri Már Mikaelsson. Not able to pick that up. Belgium wins the puck. That puck is loose in the slot. Halldór Skúlason is going all the way. That's a goal! That's a coast-to-coast goal for Halldór Skúlason. Net goes off, but the puck is in before the net goes off. What a goal by Halldór Skúlason. You can see it here again. It's from a tight angle. And Team Belgium is complaining. They say the net was off before the goal was scored. You could clearly see that on the video that was not the case. But I still understand their frustration. Two-1 for Iceland. Two-1 for Iceland is a little bit not in reality with what's happening in the game, but Iceland will take it. Good pass from Robbie, over to Axel. Robbie picks it up again. Robbie still has the puck. Oh, nobody's able to pick that up. Robbie wins that battle. He's pressured behind the net. Axel throws it down. That's an icing. That puck jumps over the stick of Shaki de Koister. Good pressure from player number 11. Player number 8 comes, picks it up. Andri Már Mikaelsson here. Puts it deep. Gunnar Arason over to Andri Mikaelsson. He puts it down into the Belgian zone. It's a dangerous pass from Unnar, but it works out. Good shot from Hákon Marteinn. And good save from Arne. He's able to hold that puck. Bjarki picks that puck up, puts it deep, and Robbie picks it up, puts it to the slot. Oh, that's shot. Another shot from Bjössi. Good save from Arne. Robbie to Bjössi, back to Robbie. Up to Bjarki. Bjarki puts it on the net. It's deflected by Bjössi. Goes a little bit wide. Here comes number 17, Sam. Over to 24. Misses the net. Heiðar puts it deep, and that second period is out. Iceland 2, Belgium 1. Iceland is getting better into this game. They have the lead as well. So, we'll be back for third period. Hello, hello. We are back on 35 seconds until third period starts. 2-1 is the score for Team Iceland. Exciting game. Belgium wins the face-off, puts it deep. Halldór picks it up, puts it to Hafi. Andri, no, doesn't win the puck. Comes Shake. Robby, Halldór, Sölvi. Sölvi puts it deep. First one on it back. Still has it. Puts it on the net. Ooh. Good move by Heiðar Kristiðarsson, but not able to put it on the net. No penalty called there. Iceland still has the puck. Robby to Robby. That's blocked. Belgium comes out. Oh! That's saved by Johan. Player number 16 all alone there. Not able to score. And Johan is able to pick that puck up. Player number 16 from Belgium had a perfect opportunity to put in the equalizer. A lot of time, but was unable to. Hits the end of the stick of Johan. Robby comes out with the puck, but it's intercepted. Turn around and Belgium puts it deep. Björn Robert over to Atli Sveinsson. Atli Sveinsson, oh, that's a bad pass, that's intercepted. And Johan saves it and picks it up. Johan freezes the puck. Johan is well awake in the net. Another good opportunity for Belgium to even this game out. Here comes Hákon. Hákon is quick, but that's a good hit from player number 11 on player 11. Unnar. Heiðar Gauti, Unnar. Unnar to Halldór. Halldór puts it on the net. Andri Már Mikaelsson picks it up. No. He's not able to give Halldór that puck. Gunnar. Good work from Andri. That's good hard work from Andri. That's a good pass that leaves Hafi behind. Johan saves it. Freezes the puck. Belgium wins that face-off. Blocked by Heiðar Kristiðarsson. I think Heiðar Kristiðarsson has at least 3 or 4 blocked shots this game. Here comes number 17, Sam Wells. Puck is loose in the slot, but Sölvi picks it up. Sölvi puts it deep. Kári pressures Gunnar Arason. Here comes Jörundur Smed. Iceland clears it out. Sam Wells tries again. Here's come Axel Oregon. No. Puts it deep. Nobody there to pick it up. Jussi to Robbie. Robbie puts it deep. Iceland goes for change. Heiðar Gauti pressuring there. Já, Unnar picks it up. That goes out of the Belgian zone. It's good pressure from the Belgian team. Comes number 14 over to 23, but Robbie gets that puck. Atli Sveinsson. That's not accurate enough. It's hard pass for Haffi. Johan freezes the puck. Good hit from number 11. Team Belgium keeping the same pace as in the games before. They're playing physical, doing it well. Iceland wins that face-off. Throws it out of the zone. Frank Nevin over to 24. Jordan gives it to number 3, who is Ben. Player number 8 has a shot there that goes right. Heiðar Kristiðarsson puts it deep. That's an offside. Iceland wins that face-off. Bjarki puts it deep. Bjarki, the defenseman, starting to play as a forward there. Now, Heiðar is not able to get that puck. Arne clears it. Over to number 10, Shake. Shake to number 16, Brian to number 6, Emil. Number 10, Shackwell. And here's Bjarki. Ooh, that's a great save by Robbie. Throws himself down there, blocks a good pass. Ooh. Referee says Team Belgia has a player inside the crease. Play is thrown out of the defensive zone. Emil Goris had a good shot there. Iceland wins that face-off, but that's intercepted. And Johan saves that, picks it up in the air. Johan Leifsson is unable to take this puck all the way. Gunnar ends up throwing it down. Gunnar throws it out. And look at that race. Hafi completely beats a defenseman there on the race for the puck. 14. Another good save from Johan. Good try from number 14. Reese. Halldór puts it down. Iceland goes for change. Here comes Heiðar Gauti Jóhannsson. That's a beautiful play from the Belgian team. Robbie puts it deep, that's smart. He's basically checked out of the into the Icelandic bench. Hákon puts it deep. Unnar is the pressure there. It's a good receive from behind the back. Puck goes out of play. We have a face-off inside the Icelandic defensive zone. The hill is getting steeper and steeper for the Belgian team. They are going to have to score 3 goals in the next 10 minutes to win this tournament. But they only need 1 goal to tie this game. That's a start. And here's a good try. But Johan denies it. Sölvi with a shot there that's blocked, and here comes Belgium. That's weak. But Belgium has the puck. Here comes Atli Sveinsson. Defensemen are taking a run for the net in this game. It is Markus Ólafsson. That shot is blocked by Emil Gores. Belgium keeps it in the zone. Nice try by Jacquet. Frank Neven, he's smart there, puts it deep, but Iceland picks it up. Rope Andre puts it deep. Jói pressuring. Andre with a good pressure there. Oh, that's a nice play. Here comes Belgium. That's a hard hit. No, referee says no. Another great save from Johan. 7 minutes left. Belgium. Now that saved by Johan. Calms the game down. Belgium wins that face-off. And here's a penalty. Player number 7, 2 minutes for tripping. Alec James going to the box. And Iceland has the first power play of this game. The first Icelandic power play of this game. Belgium has had at least one. That goes off the skate and goes out of the zone. Iceland has managed to take it into the zone. Kári tries a sneaky shot there. Belgium is not able to clear it. And Axel Oregon is scoring another goal here. It's a good pass through the middle from Bjössi. And Axel hammers it. Post and in. What a shot. 3-1. Belgium wins that face-off. We play 5 against 5. Iceland clears it out.
And number 14, Kári Arnarsson.
As mentioned before, goal is scored by Axel Órgan, who is number 21, assisted by player number 10, Björn Róbert Sigurðarson, and player number 14, Kári Arnarsson. Iceland is doing the Viking clap in the stands. Not the best Viking clap we've seen, but I'll take it. That shot goes through a lot of traffic, but misses the net. And we have a penalty here. Player number 21. And we have another penalty. One player from each team. I think. At least player number 16 from Belgium, and yeah, player number 21 from Team Iceland. Axel Órgan getting the first penalty. And player number 16 getting a retaliation penalty. Was not the smartest thing by the Belgian player. Would have been a good opportunity for Belgium to get back in this game. But off they go. Belgium wins that face-off.
Penalty Team Iceland. Player number 21, Axel Órgan, gets a 2-minute penalty for splashing. Penalty Team Belgium. Player number 16, Ryan Henry, gets a 2-minute penalty for roughing.
That's a good fight from Team Belgium. Belgium has the puck in the Icelandic defensive zone. That shot is blocked. Good try. And Johan picks that puck up, freezes the puck. We have a scrum in front of the net. Things are getting heated here. The Belgian assistant captain, Frank Nevin, is not happy with Hafþór Sigurðarson. think both players are going to the box. Haffi actually didn't do anything. The other two Icelandic players there were the guilty ones. No penalty is called there. Belgium is running short on time.
Let's make some noise!
Belgium gets a warning on that face-off. And wins the face-off. We have another penalty. Iceland getting a penalty. Good save from Johan. And player number 9 is getting a 2-minute penalty for holding. I forgot to mention the first 2 penalties. Axel Orokan, number 21, got a 2-minute penalty for slashing. Player number 16 from Belgium got a 2-minute penalty for roughing. And Team Belgium is taking a timeout. It will be 4 against 3. And Belgium has a player in the crease. We go out of the zone. Team Belgium has a strong line on the ice, but I stand corrected. They are playing 5. They have pulled their goalie. That's why they are 5. Saved by Johan. That shot is blocked. It's 5 against 3. Frank Neven. That shot is blocked as well. And that's a goal. Very nice goal from number 21, Frank Neven. It's a one-timer. Beats Johan on his glove side. Was a good goal from the assistant captain, Frank Neven. (3-2) is the score. 2 minutes, 34 seconds left of this game. Iceland will get their first man out of the box. I'm pretty sure. No. Iceland gets player number 9 out of the box. Okay. I'll take it. But I would have thought Axel, number 21, would be coming out of the box, having 14 seconds left of his penalty, and Robert staying in the box. But referee says it's this way. And 5-on-5. Another good one-timer from Frank Nevin. This one is blocked, goes over the glass. Another one-timer for Frank Nevin. Belgium keeps the puck.
2 minutes remaining on the third period.
That is blocked by Markus Ólafsson. Saved by Johan. Good shot from number 7. Alec James. Another good shot from number 19 through the traffic. And Andri Már Mikaelsson throws it out of the zone. Smart choice. That's offside. One minute, 33 seconds remaining of this game. Team Belgium has pulled their goalie, playing 6 against 5. Team Belgium wins that face-off. And Belgium enters the zone, able to set it up. Shot into the stomach of Johan, who freezes the puck. Emil Gores. It's important to win that face-off. Iceland wins that face-off. Halldór. Iceland throws it out. That's an icing. Bjössi throws it out. Icing is called. Sam against Sölvi in the face-off. It's very important to win those face-offs right now. Sölvi wins that face-off, but Belgium wins the puck. Iceland wins the puck back. Belgium has it. Gunnar Arason throws. No, that's intercepted in the air. Halldór throws it out of the zone. Belgium keeps the puck. 35 seconds. Here comes Sam. He falls down. Belgium tries again. That goes to the corner. That goes wide. 9. That's blocked by number 18. And Iceland wins the tournament. What a game. Iceland wins World Championship Division 2 Group B. Will be going to Division 2 Group A next year. And what a performance by the Icelandic goalie, Jóhann Björgvin Ragnarsson. Completely carried the team in this game. Jóhann Björgvin Ragnarsson is one of the Iceland's most promising players. He's playing in the Czech Republic. He has been playing Division 4, both junior and senior hockey this season, and is moving to Division 2 club next season. Will keep playing junior hockey and getting some chances with the senior team as well, I hope. I want to say hi to our Finnish audience. We have a lot of Finnish audience watching the game, surprisingly. If Jóhann Björgvin Ragnarsson is not the best player of Team Iceland in this game, I will eat my sock.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now produce a small token for the best player of each team in this game. For Team Belgium, player number 3, Ben Koelen.
Best player of Team Belgium, number 3, Ben Koelen, gets a small trophy. You can hear the Icelandic audience. They clearly know who is the best player of this game.
The crowd has spoken. Best player of Team Iceland, Jóhann Ragnarsson!
Best player of Team Iceland, Jóhann Björgvin Ragnarsson. Well deserved.
Now, the best player of each team for the tournament will be rewarded with a small token. Presenting this award will be Conrad Gilvason, General Manager of Ice Hockey Iceland. Best player of Team Belgium for the tournament is player number 24, Jordan Paulus.
Best player of the tournament for Team Belgium, Jordan Paulus, the Belgian captain. He's done a great job this tournament. Gets a nice t-shirt watch.
Player number 23, Johan Lisson.
And best player of the tournament, Team Iceland, Jóhann Már Leifsson. Gets a nice t-shirt watch as well.
We will now get on who will present the awards for best position of the tournament. That's best goalie, best defender, and best forward. We will start with the best goaltender of the tournament.
They're picking the best goaltender of the tournament.
The crowd has spoken. Johan Ragnarsson, Team Iceland!
Best goaltender of the tournament, Johan Björgvin Ragnarsson. Great performance.
The best defender of the tournament. After serving a penalty in the box, we told him to change his attitude. Ladies and gentlemen, player number 21 for Belgium, Frank Neven!
Best defender of the tournament, player number 21 from Team Belgium, Frank Neven. The commentator just said Frank Neven was in the box a couple of minutes ago. They asked him to change his attitude.
Now finally, best forward of the tournament. Number 23, Johan Leifsson.
Player number 23 of the Icelandic team, Johan Már Leifsson. Best forward of the tournament.
Georgia to join us on the ice. Team Georgia.
Here comes
And to the
Team
ice
Georgia.
for the final awards ceremony. Now we will get more people on the ice. We're going to get a gentleman from Georgia, Zakaria Reichu Ashuis. We're getting all the people on the ice. We're also going to get President of Iceland, Guðni Tómasson.
Here comes the President of Iceland, Guðni T.H. Jóhannesson.
Chairman of the tournament, Mr. Andreas
It's a good
Narsson on
honor
as well.
to have him here.
Conrad Gylfason, General Manager of Ice Hockey Iceland. Now we will present the award for third place of the tournament. Andreas Narsson will present the award. Ladies and gentlemen, the third place is Team Belgium.
Team Belgium
Join them.
gets the third
Please
place
wait on the line.
of the tournament.
Wait on the line.
After loss against Team Georgia and Team Iceland as well, Belgium finishes third with 6 points.
And now we will get the captain for the second place team to join us on the carpet. Presenting we're going to do the trophy first, okay? Trophies are fun. By the way, these are the coolest trophies in the world. Presenting the bronze trophy will be Andreas Narsson. Team Belgium!
Jordan Paulus comes and receives the trophy for third place, the bronze trophy.
Now, presenting the next award will be the Georgia representative Zakaria Repchua-Suri.
We will get the captain of Team Georgia to join us for the second place in the tournament.
Player number 18 from Team Georgia. Revas Somaya receiving the medals for second place. Never seen that before. He collected all the medals. He's handing out the medals to his team. Team Georgia finishing second place with 9 points, winning all their games except for the game against Iceland, which was 6-2 for Team Iceland.
The captain will now receive the second place trophy.
It is Revas Somaya receiving the silver trophy.
So I don't think we're forgetting anything. That's it for tonight. Good night, everybody. Safe journey home. Now, first place in the tournament, get the captain of Team Iceland.
Here comes Robert Freyr Pálsson to pick up the gold medals. The captain is giving out the gold medals because of the COVID bubble that we have had through this tournament. That's why the captains are handing out the medals. It's obvious here that the captains are, of course, a lot less likely to have COVID than other players. It's a great team Icelandic has been posting this tournament. The coaches, Vladimir Kolek and Sami Lehtinen, have done a good job aging down the the Icelandic tournament. No, the Icelandic team, sorry. Getting a good experience for the young players. Building for the future. And hopefully that will pay off in the tournament in Group A next season. And here comes Robert Freyr Pálsson to pick up the prize, the golden prize for Team Iceland. Well-deserved gold from Team Iceland. Won all their games this group.
We will have a few words from Anders Larsson, President of Ice Hockey Sweden, Chairman of the tournament.
We thank you for watching and see you hopefully for World Championship Division 2A in Reykjavik next season. We can at least hope so.
Thank you all for this tournament. Thank you very much to the participating teams, game officials, and of course, thank you very much to all the volunteers who have made this tournament possible. Thank you also to the Iceland Ice Hockey Association, who has been the organizing committee of here with me on the ice. We have Helgi, the president, and Konrad, the general secretary. You and your team has done a great job. So once again, thank you very much, and congratulations, Iceland.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the national anthem of Iceland.
Until then, good night.